No. I need to show you how I made this. Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel. It is VLOGMAS. Oh my goodness, I hope you've been enjoying the vlogs. Today, I have this amazing, tasty recipe that I'll be sharing with you. You know, on this channel, oh my goodness, when it comes to food, I take you on a culinary adventure. Now, let's go make this recipe. We are making our own breadcrumbs. So, VLOGMAS Day 5 is heating up as we venture into the kitchen to do what? To create a culinary masterpiece. So, join me for an epic cooking adventure where we craft the most delicious potato recipe. Here are our ingredients: potato, tomato, peppers, tatase, garlic, breadcrumbs, and of course, our beef. This recipe is complete with a mouth-watering tomato sauce. So in our bowl, we have our mincemeat, homemade mincemeat, homemade breadcrumbs. To that, we brought in eggs and salt and pepper, black pepper. Mix all of that together. Add the flavor of coriander. Oh my goodness, this is a match made in heaven. So you want to properly mix all the ingredients together. And I'm already salivating. So this is from homemade breadcrumbs to mincing our own beef, mashing the potatoes, to grilling in an air fryer and achieving the perfect crust in an oven. We are covering it all. So in your pan, you have hot water. Add salt to that and boil your potato for about 15 minutes. And we have our mincemeat rolled. Now you want to create a hollow in this because this is going to serve as a pot. Get ready for a symphony of flavors as we take on each step together. I'll be sharing my favorite tips and tricks to ensure your dish is not only visually stunning, but bursting with irresistible taste. Oh my God. You don't know what's coming for you. So in your pot, in your beef pot, you want to add either olive oil or butter. So today, unfortunately, I ran out of butter and I did not know. That is why I'm using olive oil. I would have preferred to use butter, but hey, it'll serve. So in your air fryer, you want to cook this or grill for say 5 minutes. Now our potato is cooked perfectly. When I say perfectly, soft enough to be mashed. Now you want to come in with your masher. But before then, remember to add either butter or olive oil. Let's check on that beef. Ooh, my kitchen is busting of flavors. Now bring your potato and transfer it into the hollow of your meat pot. Make sense? Meat pot. Now, this recipe will be perfect for Christmas dinners, Christmas lunch, or Christmas brunch. Now, let's make that delicious tomato sauce. In my pan, I have onions, oil, and I have brought in the mix of tomato, tatase, garlic, And we are creating these flavors. Bring in salt and black pepper. You know your girl. Those are my go-to seasoning. Salt, black pepper. You can never go wrong with that. I want this tomato sauce to be creamy, so I just brought in a little bit of that mashed potato in here. Make sense? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? All right, to this I bring in lemon juice because this has to be delicious. And more coriander to just build on that flavor. Trust me, humans, when you have all of these ingredients, who needs seasoning cubes? Nobody. Look at how pretty this looks. But hey, the journey isn't over yet. The journey isn't over. This isn't just a recipe. It is a culinary journey filled with love, passion, and the joy of creating something extraordinary from scratch. From the sizzle of the grill to the aromatic blend of spices, every moment is celebration of this festive Christmas season. I am just super excited. Now let's bring in our tomato sauce to the mix, like so. You can absolutely eat this as a side dish, a main dish. You can go ahead and eat it like so, but hey, I'm extra, so I'm gonna put this in the oven this time around because I am looking for a crust like so. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness, I love food. I am sure you can tell. Roll up your sleeves, grab your apron, and let's embark on this delicious journey together. Do not forget to hit play, like, and leave me a comment with your favorite homemade recipe. I paired mine with rice. Just do you. You have to try this recipe. You have to. So good.